A snowman holiday. The snowman family is overjoyed. They're having a party this year. They bake sweet treats and decorate. The house is filled with cheer. Hooray! The guests have come. They sing a Christmas song. The happiness that fills the woods will last the whole year long. This is the story of the birth of Jesus. A long time ago in Nazareth, the angel Gabriel appeared to a woman named Mary. The angel had an important message. Mary had been chosen by God to have a special baby boy. He was God's only son, and he was to be called Jesus. Before Mary had the baby, she and her husband Joseph had to travel to a town called Bethlehem. It was a long way, and the inns in Bethlehem were full. A kind innkeeper offered Mary and Joseph a place to sleep in a stable. In the east, 3 wise men saw a great star. They knew Jesus had come and took him gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. On a hill nearby, an angel appeared to shepherds and said, Jesus had been born. Baby Jesus lay in a manger, and God's light shone all around. Everyone was happy because Jesus had come to save the world. Merry Christmas!